Sectra Digital Pathology, made for you. A part of Sectra Enterprise Imaging. Welcome to functionality far beyond the microscope. With digital images, we increase both efficiency and quality, giving you more time to focus on the diagnosis. Our diagnostic and clinical tools are easy to use and allows you to create a brilliant digital workflow, distribute the right case to the right pathologist, access both current and historical cases, interact with digital pathology images from any scanner, review photos from grossing and images from other departments, outline regions of interest for easy identification, integrate with AI applications, mark and document findings for easy follow-up, ensure that cases are completely reviewed. Digital pathology also allows you to share your screen for faster support and discussions. It also reduces report turnaround time and enables you to collaborate between disciplines. Sectra Digital Pathology, a part of Sectra Enterprise Imaging.